Really clear waters, really beautiful. See you later. Alright guys, what's up? I'm here in Pattaya, Thailand. Just a 2-hour drive from Bangkok, world famous place. Famous for, you know, partying and ladyboys and all that sort of stuff. Not always, this place doesn't always get a positive press. However, I'm here and it's certainly an interesting place and I'm gonna enjoy it for sure. So, let's do it. Alright guys, so I've just arrived here at the Sanctuary of Truth, which is a religious sort of temple, a combination of Buddhism and Hinduism, and it's a wood building and it's one of the only wood buildings like this in the whole world. So it's a really interesting place. It's the most highly rated tourist attraction in the whole of Pattaya. So I'm going to check it out now and show you what it's all about. Just feeding this elephant here. So that's actually the first time I've ever seen an elephant in my entire life, and the first impressions of elephants are you can see their soul. You can see that they're emotional creatures straight away. You can see it in their eyes. You can see straight through the window into them animals. They're really beautiful, special animals. Alright guys, good morning here from Pattaya, Thailand. It's the following morning and today I'm going to go to an island just off the coast of Pattaya called Koh Lon. It's nicknamed Coral Island. It's supposed to be a beautiful island and it's like maybe a 40-minute boat journey. You can get a speedboat there which is faster but costs quite a bit more. Hello, how much? Ah, thank you. Alright guys, I'm now on the island of Koh Lon. The ferry, well, they've got two options. You've got either a speedboat or a slow ferry. The slow ferry costs 60 baht return and it takes about 40 minutes. It's a very calm, nice ride. The speedboat is about 20 minutes, it costs about 300 to 400 baht. So the speedboat is way more expensive, but it gets you there in half the time, but you've got to ask yourself, is it really worth it? Anyway, this island looks pretty nice. I'm now going to go and check it out, see some of the beaches around here. This isn't the nicest part of the island, I'm sure. I'm sure there's plenty of other places to go and see, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Just arrived at Newell Beach, otherwise known as the Monkey Beach, because apparently there's wild monkeys around here. Don't know where they are, but we'll find out. Nice. Alright guys, I'm just here on Monkey Beach and it's the main snorkeling spot on Koh Lon, and I'm here in the sea as you can see doing some snorkeling, but a pretty good view here. I'm gonna try and climb up there later on. It's pretty good, a lot of boats here, but I'm gonna go to do some snorkeling now. There's a lot of sea urchins under here, so I'm gonna be very careful where I put my feet. Alright guys, there's a lookout up here and I've just started to try and climb up there, and the ground is like super slippy and I'm wearing flip-flops, and as you can see then, I almost slipped then, and the guy just came down and he was like literally coming down on his bum and slipping all the way down. So my gut instinct says avoid that. I bet it's a super dope view, but sometimes you've got to follow your instinct and keep yourself safe. But it's a shame, I like to go up there. But no dramas, we're going to go to the next beach right now and see what else is on this island. Alright guys, so I'm just here on Semi Beach, and this is the most highly rated beach on the island of Koh Larn, and the seawater here is much more blue than Monkey Beach where I just was before. It's actually quite a nice beach. I'm now going to go underwater and show you how clear it is. There's no coral and no fish here, but the water is much clearer. So yeah, as you can see, pretty cool. Alright, so I'm just on this little rock here looking over Semi Beach, and the view is phenomenal. Yeah, super cool beach. So on to the next beach. There's a guy just down there doing some fishing. What a great view. I think there's someone's house just there. Big jet ski. You can get jet skis here. I'm not too sure how much it is. I'll put it in the subtitles there. But that's how much you can get a jet ski for here on Koh Larn. Cracking view. So this is the final beach of the day, Tawian Beach. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but if I'm not, no problem. And it's pretty beautiful. Clear blue water, very, very clear. Paradise, tropical island, did someone say? Right, check this out. Beautiful blue waters, beautiful scenery here in Koh Larn. So another beautiful beach here in Koh Larn, and that wraps up my time in Koh Larn. So I'll see you later. What's up guys, I'm just here on Pattaya Beach. It's night time. As you can see, lights going around. Not sure you can see it, but anyway, so I'm going to go and head onto Walking Street, which is the main nightlife area here in Pattaya. And the Walking Street is called the Walking Street because at 8 PM every night it literally closes. There's no cars, so it is purely a walking street, and it's pretty crazy. So I'll just take you around there and show you.
The Walking Street, Pattaya. How best do I describe this street? Well, when I was recording these clips, it was about 9 PM. If you come back, say 4, 5, 6 hours later, it's carnage. It's crazy. This is one of the best party streets on the planet. If you're looking to have a great night, a hangover movie style night where you remember nothing, there's probably not many better streets on the planet than Walking Street, Pattaya to have a night like this. It's probably quite comparable to Koh Sam Road in Bangkok or Bangla Street in Phuket, but quite frankly, it's one of the best party streets on the planet. You have Muay Thai fights in the bars, you have midget boxing, you have a lot of seedy stuff going on, a lot of bar girls, just a lot of crazy stuff. And that's all normal in Pattaya. It's a crazy street, it sums up Pattaya, and you can have lots and lots of fun. Oh, and I gotta tell you, it's insanely loud as well. There's no laws on the music here, they blast it. Check it out, guys. Pattaya can actually be quite expensive if you're in the wrong areas. So, like I say, Pattaya is extremely touristy, very touristy city. I was blown away by how many different cultures and different nations and people come here. There's lots of Russians and Indians and Arabs and Turkish. A lot of people come to Pattaya and they come here to party and eat good food and that sort of stuff. And for that reason, restaurant prices are up, alcohol prices are up, nightclub prices are up. And so yes, if you go to the main touristy area, walking street, the main city area of Pattaya, prices there are not far off Western prices. They have really inflated the prices maybe in the last, 10 years. It's definitely around there. You're going to spend money. If you come here for what most people come here for, which is to drink loads of alcohol, you're going to spend a lot of money here. But if you go outside the main touristic areas to the outskirts of Pattaya, or maybe even just a 15-minute bike ride away from Walking Street. Last night I got a really good Thai meal for about 60 baht, and it was about a 15-minute bike ride from the Walking Street, and it was super cheap and beautiful food. You pay for the same meal on Walking Street 3 times that much, right? 150 baht, easy, or maybe more. So my point is, yes, Pattaya can be expensive. It is higher than most of Thailand in the wrong areas, but if you go to the quieter areas, the less touristy areas, you're going to find Thai street food, you're going to find cheap beer, you're going to find cheap stuff. You can get accommodation here like this, decent hotel room, $15 per night, hostel dorms, $10 per night. Transportation here, transportation is not that expensive. You've got lots of bike taxis, be prepared to negotiate. You've got tuk-tuks, they're pretty good too. So my point is, it doesn't have to be that expensive, but if you come here for the partying and that sort of stuff, eating lots of food, and you want to splurge out on your cash, because most people who come to Pattaya are not backpackers. They are just normal tourists here on a packaged holiday, 2-week vacation, and so they'll spend a lot of money. If you're a backpacker here, you can budget, but like I say, majority of people that come here are not backpackers. And so to summarise it, Pattaya can be expensive, but if you're smart, it doesn't have to be.
So that just about wraps up my my vlog here. I've been in Pattaya for 2 days. I've had quite a lot of fun. Koh Lom was a highlight, pretty beautiful island. But Pattaya is the sort of place you're either going to love or you're going to hate. A lot of people hate it, a lot of people love it, depends on what you want. But my recommendation is, if you're in Bangkok and you're curious, and you want to see what Pattaya is all about, because it is world famous and world renowned, why not come here for 2 days? Listen, there's a lot of things to do in Pattaya, there's a lot of things to see, and you can have a lot of fun if you want to. It's a love-hate place. You're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. And if you want to know which side of the conundrum you're going to be on, go find out for yourself. But anyway, all the way here from the beach in Pattaya, I'll give you a nice little 360. Here we go. There we go. There we go. So all the way from this beach here in Pattaya. Thank you for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. I'm going to keep making videos, but safe travels, keep adventuring, keep doing your thing. Thank you for watching. More to come from Thailand.